Good morning and welcome back to the 5 a.m. Broker. It's been a little while since I've had the opportunity to do a live feed. Well, what's happened? Christmas, festive season, 6 weeks holidays for the kiddos, adventures, fun, beach, parks, surfing, bridge jumps, all the fun stuff, pool time. 6 weeks of madness, and it was fantastic. And now school is back. We're back into the normal routine, which is a nice little relief because during that break it gets a little bit disruptive when you're trying to get work done and trying to entertain children at the same time. Anyway, hope everyone's feeling as excited about the start to the new year for anyone who's got kids and they've done the drop off this week and they're like, hey, all right, we're back to the routine. The kids really enjoyed going back to school, by the way, which was a nice thing. This morning I thought I'd talk about a new product that we're launching, and it's called the $6 million retirement plan. And the strategy for this one is to work on an investment or property portfolio so that at retirement there are assets there that have a dollar value. If you got rid of all the loans, sold the one or two properties, whatever it is, to clear all the debt, what would you be left with? And the goal is $6 million because this is not financial advice, not financial planning either, but it's simply crunching numbers. If you're in a position to buy an investment property and that investment property goes up or increases in value by 5%, and you do that for 20 years. And along the way, you buy a second property and it goes up in value by the same amount, 5%. You could do it more conservatively and use a 3%, or you can be more aggressive and try to create more growth or more capital in that property by renovating or doing other work to the property. Whatever it is, sticking to the point, 5% growth over a period of time. What is that property worth? The key to this whole strategy is time in the market. So if you're like me and you're kind of moving on in those years, the numbers are going up. Can you still achieve it? Well, if you've got 20 years, then before you need to sell or before you want to sell and, get that money and put it into an asset class where it's cash and it creates cash. Anyway, the $6 million retirement plan. Investing in property, buying a home, sitting there, letting time tick over. It is not a get-rich-quick strategy. There's plenty of people out there spruiking the get-rich quick and, pay off your home loan in 7 years and all these sorts of wonderful things. For me and many of the people I speak with, they are very happy. And, some of the very, very successful people out there who have done this, they all talk about time. And whether it's buying shares and giving it time or buying property and giving it time, it is a long-term strategy to get you to an end goal. Now, if you're interested in the $6 million property strategy, then reach out. We can have a bit more of a chat. But one example or two examples that I can give you at the moment, I'm working with two clients. They're looking at buying investment properties and they're thinking of gearing up quite high and leveraging themselves up quite high. And the feedback I've given to them is, look, with the interest rates at the moment, adding a side note in there, on Tuesday we get an RBA announcement. My guess is the rates are going up on Tuesday. But it's my feedback to them was to maybe not gear up so high, maybe not put themselves under so much pressure if they're looking to buy an investment property. Go with something that's a little bit lower on the price point maybe, because then with the deposit they have, they can get a lower loan to value ratio, say at 80% or maybe 70%, which gives them a potential for a positively or a neutrally geared property, which may not add pressure to their financial circumstances. Whereas if they were to, say, go a 90% LVR, 90% loan to value ratio, that puts the loan amount higher, and if the rental payment doesn't cover the loan or the mortgage, then what does their cash position look like at the moment? So these are some of the little strategies that we're working on with clients at the moment. Anyway, short story, welcome back. 5 a.m. Broker, $6 million retirement plan. Reach out if you want to talk about this wonderful new product that we're working on with our clients, and have a great weekend, everyone. Thanks.